Good morning, students. Myself Mohan. Today we will solve the exercise problems of the chapter Knowing Your Numbers. Take next questions, that is estimate the following products using general rule. You have to estimate the following products using general rule. A 578 into 161. B 5281 into 3491. C 1291 into 592. 1291 into 592. D1 9250 into 29. So you have to estimate the following products using general rule. So take first problem, that is 578 into 161. 578 into 161. Here the numbers are given. You have to round off to its nearest 100 values. So that means 578 round off to its nearest 100 value. So how much is its nearest 100 value of 578? So its nearest 100 value is 600. Therefore, round off 578 round off to 600. Therefore, write down 578 round off to 600. And then 161. So its nearest 100 value is how much? Its nearest 100 value is 200. Therefore 161 round off to 200. 161 round off to 200. In this way you have to find out round off values to its nearest 100 values. Therefore multiply 600 into 200, then you will get the estimated product. So the estimated product is equal to 600 into 200. In 200, 2 zeros are there. In 600, 2 zeros are there. So write 4 zeros as it is. So 600 into 200 is equal to 4 zeros are there. Right, 4 zeros as it is. Then 6 into 2. 2 6 how much? 12. So write 12 as it is. Therefore 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Therefore the estimated product of 600 into 200 is equal to 1,20,000. In this way you have to find out the estimated products of the given numbers using general rule. Here first you have to find out round off values to its nearest 100 values, and then you have to multiply the given round off values, then you will get the estimated product. In this problem the estimated product is 1,20,000. Next take second problem B. 5,281 into 3,491. 5,281 into 3,491. First you have to round off its nearest 100 values. So first you have to round off its nearest 100 values. So 5,281 281 round off to its nearest 100 values, that is how much? 5000. Therefore 5281 round off to its nearest 100 value is 5000. Therefore write 5281 round off to 5000. Similarly, you have to round off 3491 to its nearest 100 value. So 3491 round off to its nearest 100 value is 3500. Therefore 3491 round off to 3500. Therefore write 3491 round off to 3500. Here you have to find out the estimated product of 5000 and 3500. Therefore multiply 5000 with 3500 so that you will get the estimated product of the numbers 5281 into 3491. So here multiply 5000 into 3500. So in 5000 3 zeros are there. In 3500 2 zeros are there. 3 plus 2 5 zeros. Therefore write 5 zeros as it is. Then the remaining numbers are 5 into 35. You have to multiply 5 into 35. 35 5 ja 175. Therefore write 175 and 5 zeros as it is. Then you will get the 1 crore 75 lakhs. 1 crore 75 lakhs is the estimated product of 5000 into 3500. That is 1 crore 75 lakhs. In this way you have to find out the estimated product, that is 1 crore 75 lakhs. And then take next third problem, that is C1. 1291 into 592. 1291 into 592. First you have to round off the its nearest 100 values. Therefore write 1291 round off to its nearest 100 value is 1300. 1291 round off to its nearest 100 value is 1300. Therefore write 1291 round off to 1300. Then 592. You have to round off its nearest 100 value. 592 round off to its nearest 100 value is how much? 600. Therefore write 592 round off to 600. Here you will get the round off values, that is 1300 and 600. Then you have to multiply 1300 into 600. You will get the estimated product. Therefore multiply 1300 into 600. Here in 1300 2 zeros are there. In 600 2 zeros are there. Therefore 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. 4 zeros right as it is. Therefore write 4 zeros as it is. The remaining numbers are 13 and 6. Multiply 13 into 6. 13 6 ja how much? 13 6 ja 78. Therefore write 78 as it is. Then you will get 7,80,000. 7,80,000 is the estimated product. So the estimated product of 1,300 into 600 is equal to 7,80,000. Take next problem, that is D1. 9,250 into 29. 9,250 into 29. First you have to round off 9,250 and 29. So 9,250 round off to its nearest 100 values. That is how much? 9,250. Its nearest hundreds value is 10,000. Therefore write 9,250 round off to 10,000. Similarly, round off 29 to its nearest tens values. That is 29 round off to 30. So 29 round off to 30. Then you have to multiply 10,000 with 30. That multiply 10,000 with 30, you will get the estimated product. Therefore multiply 10,000 into 30. That means here in 10,000 4 zeros are there, in 30 1 0. Therefore total 4 plus 1 0. So 5 zeros. So write 5 zeros as it is. Then remaining 1 into 3. 1 3 ja 3. Therefore 3 lakh. The estimated product is how much? 3 lakh. Therefore the estimated product of 10,000 into 30 is equal to 3 lakh. In this way you have to find out the estimated product of the given numbers. Take next problem, that is second main. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So here you have to give a rough estimate of by rounding off to its nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Here in this n you have to round off both, that is its nearest 100 values as well as its nearest tens values. So you have to give a rough estimate in terms of its nearest hundreds values as well as its nearest tens values. So take first problem, 61 into 31. 61 into 31. So here you have to round off in both ways, that is rounding off to its nearest 100 values and also a closer estimate by rounding off to its nearest tens values. So 61 into 31. 61 is rounded off to its nearest tens values. That is how much? 61 rounded off to its nearest tens values is 60. Therefore round 61 rounded off to 60. So write down 61 rounded off to 60. Similarly you have to round off 31 to its nearest tens values. That is how much? 31 is rounded off to 30. 31 rounded off to 30. So you will get the rounded off values as 60 and 30. 60 and 30. So multiply 60 and 30, you will get the estimated product. Estimated product of 60 and 30. Therefore multiply 60 into 30. Here in 60 1 0 is there, in 30 1 0 is there, total 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros as it is. Then the remaining numbers are 6 into 3. 6 3 ja, how much? 6 3 ja 18. Therefore 1800. 1800 is the estimated product. So the estimated product of 61 into 31 is how much? It is 1800. Therefore the estimated product is equal to 1800. In this way you have to estimate by rounding off to its nearest 100 values as well as its nearest 10 values. Then you will get the rounded off values in terms of its nearest 100 values as well as nearest tens values, and then you have to multiply these numbers. You will get the estimated product of the given numbers. That is, in this problem the estimated product of given numbers is 1800. So take next problem, that is 1205 into 42. 1205 into 42. Here you have to give a rough estimate by rounding off to its nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to its nearest tens values. Here you have to consider by rounding off to its nearest hundreds as well as its estimate by rounding off to its nearest tens values. So write 1205 into 42. So 1205 is rounded off to its nearest 100 values. That is how much? 1205 rounded off to 1200. Therefore write 1205 rounded off to 1200. Here you have rounded off to its nearest 100 values, that is 1205 rounded off to 1200. Similarly, you have to round off 42 in terms of its nearest tens values. So round off its nearest tens values of 42. Therefore 42 rounded off to its nearest tens values is 40. Therefore write 42 rounded off to 40. Then you will get the rounded off values in terms of its 100 values is 1200, while rounded off values of tens in place of 42 is 40. Therefore you will get 1200 into 40. 1200 into 40. By multiplying these terms we will get the estimated product. Therefore multiply 1200 into 40 will get the estimated product. So multiply 1200 into 40. In 1200 two zeros are there, in 40 1 0 is there. So 2 0 and 1 0, 2 plus 1, 3 zeros are there. So write 3 zeros as it is. Then the remaining numbers are 12 into 4. 12 into 4. Therefore 12 4 ja 48. Therefore 48,000. 48,000 is the estimated product. So therefore the estimated product of 1205 into 42 is equal to how much? 48,000. Therefore, the estimated product is equal to the estimated product of this problem is equal to 48,000. In this way, you have to find out the estimated product. First, you have to round off to its nearest hundred value, and then you have to round off to its nearest tens values. Then you have to multiply these terms. Then you will get the estimated product of the given number. Let us take homework for today. First one, estimate the following products using general rule. You have to estimate the following products using general rule. A, 78 into 64, 78 into 64. B, 199 into 79, 199 into 79. And C, 251 into 99, 251 into 99. You have to estimate the following products using general rule. That's all for today. Thank you.